afternoon, everyone. I am from Group A1 and this is our documentary about homeostasis. So before we proceed, we're going to interview some students regarding our topic. So let's go. Over. Hi. Can we ask some questions about our topic? So what do you think is the normal body temperature?
I think it's 36.
Thank you.
The normal body temperature is 36.5 to 37.5.
36 degrees.
37.
37 degrees.
37.5.
It depends on the person, thank you. It depends on the person, thank you.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
You know I'm mobbing with the D.
So the reason why we asked about what is the normal body temperature is because temperature is an example of homeostasis, and the tendency to maintain a stable, relatively constant internal environment is called homeostasis. So for deeper understanding of homeostasis, here is Grace.
Thank you, Trisha. So, homeostasis refers to the flexibility of the body or a cell to hunt and maintain a condition of equilibrium. It is concerned within the maintenance of a constant internal atmosphere which has the operate of urinary organ, liver, skin, and etc. Examples of negative feedback mechanism are: number 1, eating when you are hungry. Second, drinking when you are thirsty. Di lang nauhaw ko. Third, sleeping when you are sleepy.
Natuyo ko, matulog ko danay.
Fourth, pooping when you ate too much.
Big plakat danay. Baming ko danay.
Sige, sige.
Sakit siya ko.
Fifth, blood sugar regulation. Our last example is blood pressure. Now, these are the examples of positive feedback mechanism. Number 1, childbirth. Second, ovulation or menstruation.
Ala, gusto kita kong puso.
Aray mo, Chan?
Ambot ah.
Saan nagabutaw?
Basta mga next week ko.
Tindog be?
Kanto ka bifyo? Marami ara to.
Negative feedback loops occur in your body through its own internal controller for maintaining temperature, pH, hormone levels, blood sugar, and other variable states at homeostasis.
In positive feedback mechanism, the output enhances the original stimulus. A perfect example is a childbirth.
So we're done with the homeostasis, so let's proceed to our next topic, which is the organismal processes and organ systems. The processes that happens in the different organ system of the body is called organismal processes. Examples of organismal processes are the nervous control, endocrine control, and sensory and motor mechanisms, wherein the nervous control and sensory and motor mechanisms happens in the nervous system while the endocrine control takes place in the endocrine system.
So how does the nervous system works? So the nervous system is a complex collection of nerves and specialized cells known as the neurons that transmits signals between the different parts of the body. The nervous system is controls the muscles and nerve cells, which controls the voluntary and involuntary movements.
The nervous control is a complicated network of nerves and cells that carries messages through the brain and neural structure to various components of the body. The
central nervous system is formed from the brain and neural structure, while peripheral nervous system is formed from physical or also called as an involuntary nervous system.
The examples of voluntary actions of the nervous control are walking, running, talking, playing, watching. These are now the examples of involuntary actions: blinking, sneezing, yawning, breathing, and burping. And the nervous system, we also have sensory and motor mechanisms. The nervous system detects signals from the outside environment and communicates it to the body via the nervous system. The sensory system relies on specialized sensory receptor cells that transduce external stimuli into changes in membrane potentials.
These are the two examples of sensory and motor mechanisms. First, when an insect bites your arm, you immediately slap or scratch your skin. Why does this phenomenon happen? When an insect bites your arm, your sensory nerves sends information to your brain, while your brain processes the information and sends the information to your motor nerves, which will result to your immediate reaction. Next, when the dog barks at you while passing by, your brain commands you to run.
How does endocrine works? The endocrine system consists of glands and organs that regulates and control body various function by producing and circulating of hormone. The body is normally able to sense whether more or less is given hormone is needed. The example of endocrine control is peeing and pooping.
All in all, this documentary shows the importance of organismal processes that happens in different parts of our body. So I suggest you take good care of your body. Have a good day! Thank you for watching!